I told one layer is basically, one is the Sangam area, the main Kumbh area, okay. Then the next cycle is basically by the Aghoris, Tantric, by the monks. Okay. Next cycle or surroundings by ashrams. Okay. Then there are bhaktas. So this is layer by layer. Then the householders. Householders who have not renounced the world. They still stay in the house, but they are spiritual. So they go for 30 days or 40 days. Some families, they just go there for 45 days. They leave the, they stop all the work and stay in Kumbh, in Prayagraj for 30 to 45 days actually. They are known as Kalpavasi. They do Kalpavas there. They cook there, they stay there, they make small hut, and then for 45 days they will stay there. They will renounce the world. Okay? They will be away from the business and everything. So these Kalpavasis are also very, very important. This is the next layer. Okay? Next layer of the seekers. They will stay for 30 to 45 days. And these are the spiritual people from the society who somehow cannot renounce the world because of their commitment. Maybe they have children, they have family and all this, so they can't leave the world because they have responsibilities. But then somehow they are spiritual people. They are very spiritual, they are seeker, but they cannot be like monk. So they also come here and they stay in that area. And this whole place they use, or this whole 45 days of period they use for their sadhana and for their spirituality, and they are again an ambassador, okay? They are part of that spiritual management, okay? So this whole thing that is happening by ashram, akhada, sadhus, monks, yogis and everything, it is basically spiritual management. Now the government is involved, but the Kumbh is there for thousands of years. No one knows when it started. It's happening for thousands of years. And it's self-managed. Self-managed. Now government is involved. But earlier it was self-managed. Millions people come, it's self-managed because of this. Because of this Kalpavasi, because of akhadas and ashrams. And these people are basically seeking liberation, but staying in the worldly life. So these Kalpavasi are also very, very important. They are the spiritual people. So there are a lot of spiritual seekers in that area. Next one. Now, this is one of the very common